Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I am in period 3, and these guys are amazing. And today we're upgrading our app, and we want to put in Mario and Luigi in here. You guys see my guys? Looks kind of cool with them up there. Oh, that looks cool. I need one more in between these guys. Okay, so I'm going to delete this guy because it's taking up too much room. All right, so now what we would do is we would click on Mario or Yoshi, and then I would change this sprite down here to be whatever that guy is. Okay. So we're going to go click on Mario. And when I click on Mario, I'm going to call this guy my sprite. Okay. Image sprite, my sprite. Okay. And then I'm going to go back to my blocks, and I want to set my sprite. Where is he? Image sprite, my sprite. I want to set his picture to be the exact picture that's in here. So Mario is mario.png. Wow, Yoshi's is a nightmare. Are you with me? This is absolutely a nightmare to want to have to print that out. But maybe this is a good learning tool for us. Okay, so you want to go get a text, and if they click on Mario, then you're going to change it to mario.png. Okay. And then we can duplicate this. If they click on Yoshi, then we have to go to this designer box right here. Okay. And I got to control C that. See how it's FDOCB4054. Okay, that is a nightmare of a name. Are you guys with me on that? So what you can do is you just go back to this guy right here, and you click on it, and you're going to go hit Control C. You see how I went Control C there? Do not try to type this out, because if you're one letter off, guess what? It won't work. One letter, it will not work. If you have an O that's supposed to be a 0, by the way, that's one of the hardest things to find in computer science is the difference between an O and a 0. Are you with me? Especially a capital letter O and a 0. Also, the hardest thing to find in computer science is an L and a number 1, a lowercase L and a number 1. I had to search through 1,000 lines of code and find that the student made a mistake between an L and a number 1. Nightmare. Okay. So then you go back in your blocks. Come on, blocks, work for me. And then here I have to say Control V, right? .png. Okay. So they click on it, and they're going to set that image, right? And then when you guys do a drag, let's go back up here where you did a drag. Okay. Let's go find out where we did the drag. Here's the drag event. Then I could also move my sprite and have it appear. Okay. Where's my image sprite? Dot move. And you just go move to current X, current Y. All right. So we had the image set. Now, how do we want to get rid of the image? How do we want to get rid of the image? Should we ever get rid of the image? Like when they lift their finger up? No, you want to leave the image there? Or like when you lift your finger up, the image disappears. That'd be cool. Let's see if there's a what's this dragged any sprite? Let's go into canvas. So when canvas touch up, so when you're done with the touch up, are you guys with me on that? Then you guys can go down here and just get rid of the image. The image can disappear. So you could go down here when the canvas is touched up. Okay, you can set the image to just nothing. So you just go in here and hit delete, and it won't go to anything. So that's it. That's that video. Hope it helps. We'll keep calm and code on.